Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of The Radiant Life with Rhonda. On this channel, I talk about motherhood, beauty, health, and marriage. Let's get into this hair tutorial, you guys. So exciting for me because my hair is growing at just great lengths, and I'm so glad that I can do these versatile styles for you guys. So let's get right into this video. First off, you want to start off with freshly washed hair. I had just gotten out of the shower. My hair was pretty wet in this video, and you want to start with a leave-in conditioner of some sort to just start detangling those curls, y'all. This is my signature product, Banana Pudding Curl Cream by The Radiant Collection. Check us out at theradiantcollection.com. You want to put a small dime or quarter size amount to start off with in each section that we're going to be demonstrating here. So for this part, just part a small portion of your hair above your ear and braid or twist it forward. So you guys, I started off with a twist. I don't know what these braids are called. I call them Egyptian braids or Egyptian twists because I feel like that's like what Egyptian culture, like where we took this style from. However, I started off with a twist and then I switched it to a braid, but I got the close-up so you guys can do a twist or a braid for this cute style. And now what I'm doing is sectioning off a very small piece in the front, like in like a triangle type shape, just to give me a little bit of like a cute bang, and you guys will see what it looks like. What I'm doing now is just moisturizing, twisting it, and I just put a split right down the middle, just to give it a more defined look. So I split it in two and flat twisted it right down. I'm using Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner and my signature Banana Pudding Curl Cream from theradiantcollection.com. Please check us out. We would love to have some new customers. And I'm just gonna slather that all around my hair just for added moisture, because I will be twisting this hairstyle, so I want my twist to be popping. And of course, Eco Styler for those edges and to give it a nice sleek finish. You will need a large stretch band and some bobby pins just to hold the style in a secure spot on your head. Spraying a little bit more leave-in, and I twisted my hair off camera, but it is about, I would say about 8 twists. So twist that big poof that you just created and get some flexi rods and roll up the ends just to give it a nice fluffy curled texture after it dries. So I did let this hairstyle dry overnight. However, if you are in a rush, you can choose to blow dry this hairstyle and it'll come out just as gorgeous. Okay, so this is the next morning. I took a little bit of my signature blend oil just to make sure that my ends were not frizzy. And if you guys are still watching, please like and subscribe to this channel. That would mean so much to me. So I am just taking the oil and spreading it out in my hand. Now I'm grabbing my wide tooth comb to fluff out this hairstyle. You want that volume when you do twist outs. You don't want it to be looking all splat and, you know, just not luxurious. So this wide tooth comb is giving me that volume. I'm spraying down the perimeter of my hair because I do have gel on it, And I like to put water on the gel. It makes it more flexible when I'm using Eco Styler gel. It gives me a little bit more wiggle room. Okay, now I'm just taking down the front 2 twists. That gives me that bang. You guys can purchase this hair oil that I'm using at theradiantcollection.com. Please visit that website in your spare time. As you guys can see, this is hairstyle number 1, a high puff with bangs. It's not my favorite hairstyle, but it is something that you guys can, definitely rock if you choose to wear your hair that way. This is style number 2, a high puff bun with bangs. So all I did was pin up the back of my high puff and made it into a jumbo bun. Y'all see me trying to fix my little wiggly squiggly edges. This is style number 3, high puff bun with the bangs pinned back. So all I did was just take my bangs, flip them backwards, and pin them. Literally, it's that simple. And make sure those edges are slayed, ladies, for a sleek finish. Look at that. That is so cute. I love it. This is an office look. This is a gym look. This is a going out look. You can dress it up or down, and I just love it. Even for my ladies who have a little bit of a shorter hair, it can still work out. If you do your twist out right and take it down the right way and just pin it, it will look fabulous. Style number 4 is a high puff bun with bangs and a headband. So cute. I love this look, and this is how I ended up wearing it. It was so super cute, and then I was like, wait a minute, I can pin my bangs to the side, and that can be another one. So here's style number 5, high puff bun with bangs, pinned to the side, and headband. Ladies, this look is gorgeous. When you guys are tired of just a regular basic wash and go, try this style. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how it worked out for you. And be sure to let me know what you guys think about these 5 versatile hairstyles for natural girls. I'm making faces with my baby boy. He's so cute. Yeah, so this is my baby boy Calixto. I just gave birth to him in January, and he's been taking up a large chunk of my time, but I still managed to find, some inspo to do these videos for you guys. And like I stated earlier, this channel I talk about motherhood, beauty, health, and marriage. But The Radiant Life is also a channel dedicated to helping others and myself find their inner peace and radiating positive vibes. So I want all my subscribers and future subscribers to be a part of the hashtag Positive Vibe Tribe. This embodies speaking positive affirmations, manifesting the life you desire, and harboring positivity inside and outside as much as humanly possible. With that being said, I would like to thank you guys for watching, and let me know what other things you would like for me to upload to this YouTube channel. Give me some topics, you guys. I'm new to this, and I just want to keep going at a steady pace. To my Positive Vibe Tribe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay radiant, queens.